Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs. I have a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLT crew cab, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added to this vehicle. Your suspension lift is going to be a 7.5-inch rough country lift. The wheel and tire package is going to be a Hostile H110. It's a Stryker. It's a 22x12 with a -44 offset, so you're still going to have that nice deep dish look, a nice clean wheel, and you're going to have your angular spokes. Your tire is going to be a 37, 13, 50, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Your running boards are going to be factory, and there are not fender flares on this vehicle, but you can definitely add those if you would like, and we can switch up the running boards for you. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 257110. And if you want to make your truck look like this, make sure you shoot me a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or look at our gallery at KreitzCustoms.com.